So yes guys, the moment you all have been waiting for.
Story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hey, what's up, welcome back my beautiful people. What y'all doing, Curry Gang? Yes guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be making some red pea soup. Yes, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say red pea soup. We're having a lot of rain here in Georgia, and I'm a favorite red pea soup. And I said, why not do a vlog of how I make my red pea soup? Not all you make yours, you know, or me make mine. Yes. So guys, let's get into this video. Please make sure to hit the like button there. Yeah, you do it already? Alright, let's go into the video. And if you haven't subscribed as yet to my video, please do subscribe, share my video, tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodaz. Guys, as you can see, I have the water here boiling. The reason why I'm using this big pot, because I don't want it to run over. I'm not going to fill this pot up, but I don't want it to boil over on my stove, so I'm using this big pot. So guys, see here where I have my peas washed. This is a lot of peas, yes. As I say, red pea soup. Yeah, I'm gonna put beef and chicken foot, guys. See, I have the beef over here, you know, and I have chicken foot. I'm gonna clean the chicken foot while peas is cooking. I'm gonna go by throwing my peas in the pot. Be careful, I don't want to get burned. Yes, people, the peas in the pot, you can see it, right? Yeah. The peas to cook, it's gonna take maybe like an hour or an hour and a half to cook. So guys, as you can see, I have my chicken foot here, cleaned and washed. I cut some of them in two and I leave some whole. And I have my beef here. The peas is like halfway through, so I'm going to go by throwing my beef and my chicken foot, because I know them something that take a little time to cook. So I'm throwing them in, guys. Don't try this at home because it will get burned up. Don't throw it out like I'm going to throw it out. Take the time. See that? So yes guys, as you can see, I have my meat, my peas here cooking, guys, and I can't really see because the camera fog up. See that? Yeah. So guys, Lord Jesus, when you tell us say the pot almost full up, but don't worry, I gotta eat her. So guys, I'm gonna put in my corn now. You see the corn, you can see it? And my carrots. I'm putting in my corn and my carrots, guys. Oh, this fog up. You see that? The corn and the carrot I just put in. Hold on. So yes guys, so I put in my corn and my carrots. Then go and cook. Then I'll get right back to it. So yes guys, you see that? Where? Guys, I'm going to put in my chocho. I'm Irish, you know. Here, chocho, I'm Irish. So yes guys, as you can see, I have in my chocho and I'm Irish. I'm going to drop my dumpling them in and now. Everything go and cook. Yeah yo, look for a nice soup. Look for a pot. It's a big old pot this, you know. But you know, full up though, but you don't want to boil over. So dumpling neat. I drop the dumpling in and now. People. You know, put too much dumpling in there, you know. It will be mostly spinners. Yes, guys. Them neat, eh? She's a runner, she's a track star. She gonna run away when things get hard. People, if you wanna reach this far in our video and not subscribe, please to do so. Please subscribe to my channel. Show some love to your girl, Life with Curry Goodaz. You know, I am here making some red pea soup. You know? Yeah, just show love and support. Get your girl to 1K and counting. You know, but me not be too greedy. You know, the first margin is to reach the 1K, you know. So guys, I don't know if I'm not sick because this eat put in my dumpling and stuff, as you can see. Yeah. Nice soup one. So guys, I'm going to put in my noodle. So guys, my battery is dying. It says too low to flash. Just turn off my stove. I'm going to share it out and I'm going to show you the finishing product, guys. So yes guys, the moment you all have been waiting for. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Here you have my red pea soup. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corgadaz. Bye guys, I'm out.